beautiful Yowah nuts here. And have a look at the size of these. You imagine this, hey? We call it the boomerang. Obvious reason. But under you can see the colour bar on the outside. Still beautiful, and the crystallization in the middle. This one, little speckles. I hope that shows up. They've got tiny little speckles of colour impregnated in the ironstone. So you can just see it's a brown rock. Open it up. Kaleidoscope of all little green colours. And here's another Yowah nut. Now these are rare. Now you can see the colour on the outside, the formation, it's nice. In the middle, more muddy. Hasn't quite gone solid enough on there, but the outside, it's got all the colour. Beautiful. Here's a little cute one. Look at the fire in these ones. And we'll put it together. Look at that. You can see the colour all around it. Beautiful Yowah nut formed. You see the bright green flash in this one in the middle there. I don't know if you can see it there. In the middle, there's brilliant little flash on one side. That's nice. Then this fella, look at the colours there. Sunset colours, all on the angle. Put it back in this way. On the outside, just brown ironstone and most beautiful nut colours inside. You can move them around, beautiful to view. And of course this one, imagine finding this little bit of rock. Open it up, wow. And just magical colours and their depth. You can see the depth in this of the Yowah nut in depth all the way through. Look at these ones. I just love the pattern of this. The pattern just talks to you. See the nice big stone? Big pattern over it. Oh, pretty amazing, isn't it? It comes through. Now at least we've got this last one here, not least. This was formed as one piece. If I do it like this, it's been cut off. So it was actually, if you can imagine, this was formed on the bottom just like that with the colour. So it's an actual Yowah nut in itself formed with a larger Yowah nut. So you can imagine this is how the form just like that as two. So to split them open, wow, that's a find in the heart. And so unique, so I've never seen a baby with a mother Yowah nut. Hello baby. Beautiful.